Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode of Abs in the Kitchen, I want to share with you one of my favorite on-the-go snacks. It is packed with protein, but still hitting that sugar craving. So if you're ready for it, let's make our cookie dough balls. We're going to start making these amazing balls by blending our 2 cups of oats into oat flour. I usually use my Ninja blender for all my blending needs. Very powerful and easy to use machine. I totally recommend it. If you already have oat flour, you can just skip this step and add 1.5 cup of flour into a mixing bowl. Then go ahead and add all of your ingredients into a bowl, but leave the milk out for a last step. For my protein powder, I use Herbalife products because of its outstanding quality, taste, and its consistency. We have a link in the description and a coupon for 10% off. To keep the snack low on the sugar side, we want to use dark, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and also I use a low-fat milk for this recipe. Once all of your ingredients are in, pour half of your milk in and start mixing. Depending on consistency, add little by little as needed. Your dough should be quite thick. Now it's time to roll our balls. Pro tip on this: have your hands wet so it doesn't stick to your hands. I use a tablespoon to help me make this into somewhat even balls. When you have all of these balls ready and layered onto the paper, store it in the fridge for at least 1 hour so it will harden up. These balls are great for on-the-go snack and great for any sweet cravings, and they can be stored in the fridge for at least 2 weeks. But I promise this deliciousness will not stay untouched for long.